As we start to grapple with some very difficult questions about decarbonization, as we start thinking about how we can be even better at our use of fossil fuels, making them stretch even further, and as we think about the electric revolution, it's important that electric utilities be very thoughtful about being part of that solution. And that's why I think that ENMAX, being owned by the citizens of Calgary, is really at the forefront of this. And I'm so pleased that ENMAX not only operates the most efficient gas power plant in the country, but that we are always going to be at the forefront of figuring out ways to make it work even better. The idea of starting to use utility grade storage solutions like hybrid batteries allows us to bring more renewables into the system. It allows us to be able to provide very effective and reliable electricity, and it's really cutting edge. And Calgary should be the center of the clean energy revolution. And I'm thrilled that ENMAX is the first in Canada to implement this kind of technology.